Check out this 2008 Hyundai Sonata GLS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include Option Group 1, MP3 decoder, XM satellite radio, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel independent suspension and speed sensing steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.